Sometimes you wake up feeling low, tired, or just empty. But from the outside, everything seems okay. If that sounds like you, this worksheet might be your first step towards understanding what really is going on and what next. This is not a test or a diagnosis. It does not replace therapy. It is a tool that will help you check in with yourself, explore what you're feeling, and gently reconnect with your senses of yourself. And I'll help you walk you through it step by step. The first page will help you understand what depression really is, how it can show up differently for different people under different situations, and when is the right time to seek help. Then comes your current status. Think of a typical average day or a week and try answering the questions as honestly as possible. It will be about your energy levels, thoughts, emotions, and motivation. Remember, there is no right or wrong over here. It will just give you a clearer picture of your emotional state. Next is a powerful yet a simple technique called the metaphor of depression. This technique is based on metaphor therapy, mindfulness, and grounding exercises that will help you explore what your depressive days look and feel like and what can you do about it. Answer the given prompts or statements as guided. It's okay if the answer does not come immediately. The final part is called CBT based exercise. Here you have to take one of the recent episodes of Low Day. Write down the intensity of your emotions from 0 to 10. Write down what your thoughts were in that situation of what made you feel low. Then write down your opinion or your belief system. Why did you believe the way you did or formed an opinion the way you formed? Then write down what goes against your belief or the opinion, meaning what is the disadvantage or the loss within the belief or opinion that you have had formed. Once you are in a better state where you can think logically and rationally, write what could have been a better way to respond in that situation and write down a healthy behavior. This small shift can help you slowly break down the cycle of hopelessness and helplessness and start building better days for yourself. You can either print the worksheet or write down the answers in your notebook. You do not have to show this to anyone. This is just meant for you. Take your own time, be kind to yourself, and if you need any support, I'm just a message away.